The Motorola Razr could go on sale within a few weeks as images of the official retail boxes are floating around the web. The Razr is Motorola's first folding phone. The biggest upgrade is the folding OLED display. The new Razr will ditch the T9 keypad and the small LCD display in favor of a folding display. However, it will retain the slim profile of the original Razr phones, which should be interesting for geeks. And if the rumors are anything to believe, the 2020 Razr will be the cheapest smartphone with a folding display this year. This will be paired along with either 4GB or 6GB RAM and 64GB or 128GB storage. Motorola will launch it with Android 10 or stick to the Android 9 for the time being. Motorola is probably going for a rather smaller 2730 mAh battery. The Motorola Razr 2020 phone will bundle a earphone, a charging cable, charging adapter, screen protector, and a USB Type-C to 3.5mm jack. Highlights: 1. India is also expected to get the new Motorola Razr in a couple of weeks. 2. A brand new Razr will set you back by $1,500. 3. The 2020 Moto Razr could be the cheapest folding smartphone this year. 4. The new Razr will feature a 6.3-inch folding display that folds inside. 5. Motorola will use a Snapdragon 710 chipset for the new Razr. Thanks for watching. Please subscribe to Best Tech channel for more updates.